Would you subscribe to English if someone told you to? Why so? Hey there, I'm teacher Marianne from Romania, and I'm here to lend learners of English a hand so that they make the most of their journey. Well, if you're curious to know my answer to the previous question, you have to stick around and also learn some useful vocabulary on the way so that you step up your English game. And if this is your first time here, then hit the subscribe button down below. Also, be sure to click on the notification bell icon so you never miss a lesson. And now, let's get us going. If you ask me, English needs no introduction. Let me explain to you why it is such a game changer. Well, first and foremost, it will help you grow into a better and more knowledgeable person. Secondly, it will open up such a whole new world of possibilities. Moreover, it is a life skill that we literally could not live without in today's world, especially for us adults trying to keep up with the times. Whereas for today's Gen Zs, it is something that they for sure take for granted. It's English. I mean, just for the record, it is something they were born with and still are. Let's not forget. So just like with swimming and driving, it is good, of course, useful knowledge that you might want to access when trying to navigate life's problems. So to me, English is transforming. It will be there for you in all life's aspects. So do subscribe to it. Number 3 is culture-wise. It is eye-opening. And when I say this, I would like to share with you my personal experience and let you know that I've legit lost count of how many times English has been there for me on both personal and professional level, and gave me access to so many interesting and amazing opportunities. So this world is such a melting pot that you don't want to miss out on, and you can learn a lot about the world's culture, customs, and lifestyles, all through English. My number 3 reason is a sense of inclusion that English will provide you with. And when I say a sense of inclusion, I refer to whichever social context you might find yourself in which, of course, you wouldn't like to feel like a social burden or like the fifth wheel. And all of that because you don't know English. So just think about it and give English a second chance. Last but not least, it's the career prospects, the job prospects that English will, just make sure that you'll get. Please be sure not to rule out the possibility of you working in a field where English is needed. And that is exactly why you will have, again, to subscribe to English. And so if I've managed to convince you to subscribe to English, then that means that I've also managed to convince you to subscribe to my English space and to your English channel. So good luck with your English journey. I'll see you again here on my English space. Thanks so much for making it to the end of my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.